Land surveyor in Bangalore fees. Are you looking to hire a land surveyor in Bangalore? Well, look no further as SCON Design has got you covered. As a professional land surveying firm, they provide the best services in town. From conducting a thorough land survey to providing comprehensive reports, SCON Design has everything you need to get started on your project. I know what you're thinking, how much is this going to cost me? But don't worry, SCON Design offers affordable pricing for their services. Well, it's simple. A land survey provides valuable information about the property you are interested in. It outlines the boundaries, topography, and other important details that can save you from future disputes or headaches. And who better to trust with this task than SCON Design? Their team of expert surveyors will ensure that the job is done accurately and efficiently. In conclusion, hiring a land surveyor in Bangalore is essential if you want to avoid any legal or construction complications down the line. And with SCON Design's affordable fees and top-notch services, there's no reason not to give them a call today. Thanks for watching.